welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop and this is your Coffee Break Thursday. So this week we're going to do a landscape in the mountain range. Now, after this week we're going to take a small break in terms of mountain pictures because I do need to catch up with a few commissions. So like I said at the start, we might have a break in play for 1 or 2 weeks just while I do catch up with those commissions. But after that we'll move straight back into the mountain range, okay? But that's next week. This week we're going to do a mountain landscape. And the great thing about mountain landscapes is we can do what we want. We're not copying off a picture, we're not focusing in on a scene and making sure that we replicate that scene. This is our mountain landscape, it's our world. If we want to put a tree bigger than a mountain in the picture, we can do it. Which is good because we're going to start introducing trees and foreground elements in these compositions. Now what I will do in this painting is halfway through we're going to slow it right down. We're going to go bullet time and zoom in and focus in on how I do mountains. I'm not saying the way I do mountains is perfect or the best or anything like that. I'm just saying I get a lot of questions about how I do my mountains and I wanted to show you rather than just play music over a time lapse. So what we'll do is we'll slow it right down halfway through. I just wanted to show you a picture that we did at first. This is the first painting we did on our mountain range and you can see it's still sort of glistening river there, you can see. And these mountains, I did these exactly the same as I always do my mountains, which is to grab that roll of paint on your palette knife. If you haven't got a palette knife, it's absolutely fine. And the reason it's absolutely fine is because you just need something flat. A credit card will do. Make sure you clean it afterwards. The reason you just need something flat is because it's not the thing itself that actually contacts the canvas. It's the roll of paint right on the edge of the palette knife, okay? And you hold the palette knife very gently, like as if a breeze would knock it out your fingertips, and hold it parallel to the canvas, all right? Not like this, because the paint won't flow. Not like that, because you'll put a hole in your canvas, but parallel to the canvas, with the roll of paint right on the edge, ready to roll down your mountain. And when you do roll down the mountain, very gently, so gently that the palette knife doesn't actually touch the canvas. It's just the paint contacting, okay? And then you roll down the mountain. When the knife scrapes, the snow breaks. That's how you get these sort of breaks in play here. Alright? So on one side we do titanium white, on the other side we do titanium white mixed with blue to make that shadow effect. As you can see, very, very easily you can create some quite advanced looking effects. If you do want to learn more and want to know how I paint my paintings, you can of course join me on Patreon, like I say every week. Patreon just here, just go here, patreon.com/scenescapeshop, where you can get all kinds of benefits as well as access to my online art classes. But it's Coffee Break Thursday, you know what to do. Pop that kettle on, make yourself a cup of coffee, put your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers.